Hello everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Finance. This is MetaTrader. I have been teaching you how to trade automatic way with using MetaTrader 5 programming language MQL5. I have been creating English videos almost a year, but I just find out this format and video quality and also my English level has a long way to go, and I decided to review all of these videos, and this will be first videos that we will start from the zero. And after we build all this basic information, then we will just go forward. If you already have knowledge about algorithmic trading, if you were coding before, so first a couple of videos may comes to you a little bored, but after a couple of videos, there will be lots of information that you never heard it before. Just keep it watching. So today we are going to learn in basic algorithmic trading. So we will just step into coding and we will write our first code together. So if you never coded before, no worry, it will be so simple, and I will try to do my best to make it the easiest way. So there is nothing to worry about it. So let's get started. So welcome again. So let's move on my computer and learn and start coding. So this is MetaTrader 5 terminal. As you see here IDE button, or you can also use F4 to go Meta Editor window. Meta Editor window that we will see this empty page. Now I need to create new expert advisor from here. And I will just select expert advisor template. And I need to put name here. So I will put this expert's name OnInit. So this is the function that we will learn. I will not mark any of these, and next, and I will not mark any of these too. So we will talk about here too later, but right now we don't need it. After I say next, and new expert advisor was created. Here is that you see a white background, so we can change it. Here that you option front, I will make it a little bit bigger and bold, and I will also change the color. I will make it dark gray. As you see now it's bigger, and so we can see better, because too much white may give a damage to our eyes. So I usually use these other colors instead of white, and you can easily customize to it, so which color that you like, so which color that you want to use. When we create it, so we see three different functions that today we will be talking about this OnInit function. So OnInit function will be created itself, so when we create template expert advisor, and this is the function that it will run once. So if we want to just give some order in here, so when we just run our expert advisor, when we just attempt our expert advisor to the chart, it will just run once and it will not run again after we delete the expert and just run again. So OnInit function will start this open parentheses until this end of this parentheses. This is the body of function. So here, so we will write our first function. Our first function will be alert. So as you see, after I put A, so it shows automatically. So it can just give us some advice, and it shows there are some functions that we can select. We don't need to complete whole name. I click alert. So here so I will put quotes, and I will say hello world. This will be our first text, our first print that we will get. I will finish with semicolon. Every function has to end with semicolon in MQL5 language. So this is the comment that we get. So this alert function will just give us pop-up hello world. So as you see, compile, when I compiled, so we get no error, no warning. You see 0 error, 0 warning. So there is no problem, and everything goes just fine. I compiled again. As you see, there is no error. So with F4, so I move on MetaTrader terminal again. Here view, navigator, and navigator expert advisor. As you see OnInit, this is the function, this is the expert advisor that we created from the beginning of the video. So I will scroll this OnInit function. I don't need to mark any of these for now. As you see, we get the alert of hello world. So as you see this, it just runs once. So I can just go back. So if I want to get some number, so this time I don't need to put any codes. I can just put the number. As you see, we get the alert as 1, 2, 3. So we don't need to put codes for this. Also, we will learn another function. This was the alert. So let's see comment. So this is another function that we can use for testing our parameters, testing our expert advisor. When we want to learn some specific number, is it calculated correct or not? As you see, comment, and I compiled. After I compile, as you see, it's the left up corner. So we see this number. So comment section will give the print, not like this alert will just make a noise and pop up. It will only will be visible in the left up corner. So I go back and we will learn another function, print. So after I put print, it will the same open parentheses, close parentheses, and we will end with semicolon. And I compiled. As you see this expert part, as you see this print. This expert part will just save our logs. So for example, expert open position, close position, whatever expert does, so we will be visible in this expert section. So when we want to control our expert advisor, so did it open the correct position? So did it give us the correct log? So we can go and check this experts, and it will be visible as log records. So in this class that we will learn OnInit function, print, comment, and alert function. So we use all of these in OnInit function. Also we learned how to attach expert advisor to the chart. So let's also learn how to remove it. So here when I right click expert list. Here OnInit function is working EURUSD 1 hour chart. If I want to remove, so I will just click this remove. So, and as you see that we don't see this expert advisor in the right up corner. So which means, so we also remove the expert advisor. Also here in journal, as you see, expert OnInit EURUSD #1 removed. Also, we can also check from here. So did we remove expert advisor correctly? Okay, well done. So I am not going to keep this class so long. So we just stepped in coding and we write our first code. In next class, so we will be working on it again. See you in next class. Bye bye.